How to identify consecutive dates. I would like to identify dates in a data frame which are consecutive, that is, there exists either an immediate predecessor or successor. I would then like to mark which dates are and are not consecutive in a new column. Additionally, I would like to do this operation within particular subsets of my data. First, I create a new variable where I'd identify true or false for consecutive days. I've converted dates into datetime objects, then to ordinal ones. Now I would like to identify consecutive dates in the following groups. I am thinking to loop through the groups and applying an operation that will identify which days are consecutive and which are not, within unique county, temp and subsets. I'm rather new to programming and Python. Is this a good approach so far? If so, how can I progress? Thank you. Let me know if I should provide additional information. Update. Using it correct for advice, I tried the following. This resulting in a type error, unhashable type. Traceback happened in the second line. Whether file date _int is type int64.
You can use Shift-1 or Shift-1 to compare consecutive entries. We'll set consecutive _day to true if the previous entry is the previous day. We'll set consecutive _day to true if the entry is preceded by or followed by a consecutive date.
Once you have the ordinal numbers, it's a trivial task. Here I'm using NumPy arrays to propose one alternative. Gives you the numbers where there is a consecutive number. Namely 4, 10 and 20 are removed.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.